Hi, Ray Pointer here, and I want to show you a new feature for ResearchWise. This is the assistant. So let's create a project in the normal way. I select a data file and I'm going to create a title for this project. So here is the title. And I go to upload a file. I get one that I've got from a previous study. And then I select which fields I want to use. I want to use all of these bar the last one. The last one doesn't really have any data in it, so I'll just unclick that one. And now we ask it to create. It goes away and it has a think, and then of course it asks me what is the business question, and I create the initial business question. Here, what are the main hopes and fears about research? Because this is the Insights Health study, and it starts thinking about that and doing its analysis, going through different questions. I've speeded up the process here in the video. It's slightly faster than it is in real time, but it's going through, looking at all the columns in this study, finding out what is the answer to that business question, and creating an analysis of every one of the separate questions in that study. And all of this is the standard ResearchWise that's been around for a while. Once it's done that, it starts writing a summary. And once it's written that summary, we're able to see what the analysis looks like. So it gives us an executive summary, and I can read that summary, and it talks about who we interviewed and what the preferences were in different aspects of the study. Or we can have a look at some of the other data points in this study. For example, we can look at quantitative data, such as this, how optimistic are you? Or we can look at qualitative data, looking at the most positive things about the research industry, looking at the themes. But what I want to talk to you about is this, the new beta version, where you can type in additional questions, additional to that original business question, and explore the data. So in this case, I'm typing in, what are the main differences between the buyers of research versus the suppliers of research? And it goes away and it has a think, and then it comes back with some text about that answer. So it is beta at the moment. We would like you to try it out. So instead of having to go back to the start, if you have a different business question, you can now work on that question and explore the data in a way that's going to make it much faster and much easier to use, we think.